We are going to discuss the expanded form of a decimal number. The number which I have taken in decimal number is 253.417. 253.417. So before learning the expanded form, you should know the place value of the given digits. So you know this is the place value of this 3 is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. And now you can see this also. This is tens, and this is 100. And this is 1000. So you can see here, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is tenth, 100, HUNDREDTH. So you can see here, it is 100th place and it is 1000th. Now, on which place it is there, we have to multiply with that. So I mean to say like this here, 2 multiplied by, what number I multiply here? 2 multiplied by 100 plus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 1 by 10 here plus 1 multiplied by 1 by 100 and plus 7 multiplied by 1 by 1000. You can see here 253. So 2 multiplied by 100, 5 multiplied by 10, and 3 multiplied by 1, plus 4 multiplied by 10, and 1 multiplied by 100, and 7 multiplied by 1000. Okay. Comparison of a decimal number. When we compare two decimal number, then how to compare? You can see I am giving an example here. Example is 15.50 and other number is 15.75. So first we will see the left side. You can see the left side of both means before decimal number. Before decimal here is 15, here also it is 15. So you can see they are same. Now then afterward we will see the second part. Means second side means after decimal. So after decimal means you can see here it is 50, here it is 75. Then we will see the place value. Here it is 5, here it is 7. So this is here what place value? On this place it is 5. Here is the same place value. Here it is 7. So you can see 7 is greater. So you can see. So I wrote here 15.50 is smaller than 15.75. I think this concept is clear to you. Again, let me say once again, 15.50 and 15.75. We will compare first the left hand side of the decimal. So it is 15 here, also 15, and here it is 0.50, here it is 0.75. So actually, we will compare the place value. So it is 10th place, here the 10th place, and here it is 5, here it is 7. Now sometimes the question comes in mind that these are same, then we will go on comparison. First we compare 10, then we will compare 100, then we will compare 1000. Till the moment it becomes unequal. Now you can see it is clear to you. Take next one more example of same type. For example, 35.63 and 35.67. Now you can see here in this, these two parts are same before decimal. It means left side of the decimal it is same. Now right side I am comparing. You can see this 6, here also it is 6, so it is same. Now here it is 3, here it is 7. So which is greater? You can see here 7 is greater. So this number is greater. Which one? 35.67 is greater number than 35.63. Now second part, 20.1 and 20.01. Now you can tell. Now I want to compare these two decimal numbers. Now, which is greater? Again, you can see 20, here also 20, both are same. Now here, after decimal it is here 1, here it comes 0. So here directly we will write like this, 20.1 is greater than 20.01. Now the next point is here, lower units converting to lower unit to higher units. Now what is the meaning of this lower unit and higher unit? Lower unit means 1 gram and here it is there suppose 1 kg. You can compare easily 1 gram and 1 kg. Which is smaller? This is smaller. So 1 gram is lower unit, kg is higher. Like this 1 paisa and 1 rupee. So 1 paisa is smaller unit, higher unit is rupees. Now I want to convert 3 rupees to 3 paisa. Sorry, 3 rupees to paisa. So what is the relation between rupees and paisa? We know 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So what to do here? Now so I want to convert in rupees. This 3 paisa. So 3 paisa is equal to 3 upon 100 rupees. And you can see how to put decimal here. If there is no decimal is here, it means decimal is lying here. So I will shift the decimal on the left side. So that much place. So you can see here I am doing the expanded form of the story in detail here. So it comes like this here 3 and I will shift here. I write 0 here and so it is actually decimal here 1 2 place because 2 zeros are here. So the decimal will shift 2 place 1 2. The answer is 0.03. What is the answer? 0.03 and unit will come here as rupees. You can see the unit rupees. Now same way I will do it here. Now you can see 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Now you can see 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 5 grams I want to convert in kg. So I will divide by 1000. So 5 by 1000. Right here 5 by 1000. You will write the unit here as kg. And here now decimal will shift here again same way 5 digits. So 1 digit here. So it comes like 0.005 kg. The same procedure we will do here. How I have done here? 1, 2, 3. So it will come with 0, 1 0 here. So 0.005 is the answer. You can see 0.005 kg is the answer. Now come on the next addition of decimal number. Addition of decimal number also one topic is here in this. So it comes like this here. In addition of decimal number we have to take care here. The decimal below decimal should come and the remaining digits place value should be same. See, it is unit place, it is also unit place, tenth place, and here it is also it is tenth place, and this is tenth place. It is 100th place. So below decimal we have to take care. Below decimal, the decimal should come. Now I will do addition. 6 plus 5 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 3 7. Right? Now 1 plus 7 8, and here 2 plus 3 5. 58.71 is the answer. Now difference. Difference means subtracting from big to small is called difference. Now 5 minus 6 is not possible, so I will borrow 1 from here. So it becomes 15 and it comes here to 15 minus 6, you know it is 9. And 2 minus 5 is not possible, so I will borrow 1 from here. It becomes 12 and this becomes 8. 12 minus 5 is 7. And now you can see here 8 minus 4, it is 4, and here comes 24.79 is the answer. What is the answer? 24.79. These are the main points of this exercise. These are the main points of this exercise. On the base of this, we are going to compare and we are going to solve. So be careful. I am once again saying expanded form, comparison of number, and converting lower to higher units, and addition and subtraction or difference between the decimal number. These you can count here 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 5 points are there on the base of this exercise is base. So I am going to start now with you question number 1 of exercise. Which is greater? Which is greater? First part, and I'm going to give even part as a homework. Now 0.5 and 0.05. Now again same way, here 0, here 0, it is same. Now you can see here 5, here it is 0. So which number is greater? You can write easily 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Right here. Next, third part, 7 and 0.7. If 7 means it is actually 7.0 and the next number is 0.7. Now compare these two numbers. So it comes like this here, 7 and here 0. So directly we will write here which number is greater. 7 is greater number. So we have to write the answer. Greater is 7. Here you will write greater is 0.5. And here fifth part 2.03 or 2.30. Now you can see here 2 both are same. Here 0 and here 3. So you can see 3 is greater. So here which number is greater? 2.03 and 2.30. You can see 2.30 is greater. I just now discussed with you because here 0 and here 3. So greater is 2.30. Right here I discussed with you question number 1 here of exercise. Now you can see here start with question number 2 of exercise 2.5. So you can see it is given as expressed as rupees. So we have to convert this 7 paisa as rupees. So we know the relation 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So I am going to write like this here. So 7 paisa is equal to 7 by 100 rupees. And I will shift the decimal. Decimal is lying here. So it comes here. You can see here 7 and decimal 1, 2. And here is 0. So 0.07. What is the answer? 0.07 rupees is the answer. Now, second part is a homework. Third part, 77 rupees, 77 paisa. I will not touch this part. I will move with this part first, 77 paisa. So you can see here, 77 paisa is equal to how much rupees? Is equal to 77 upon 100. So it comes as 0.77 rupees. Then I am going to add this 77 with 77. Sorry, this 0.77 with 77. And when we add, the answer is going to come. You can see here it is 77.00 and here 0.77 and the answer will come 77.77 rupees is the answer. I think it is clear to you. 77 rupees, 77 paisa. I am not going to convert. See, already they said express as rupees. This part is rupees, so I am not going to touch this part. Second part I am taking of this one, 77 paisa. So I will take 77 paisa, 77 by 100. So it comes as 0.77 rupees. Now I am going to add this. So 77 plus 0.77, it comes 77.77 rupees. Now the next one is 235 paisa. So 235, so we know the relation 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So it comes like this here. You can see now I am going to write this. So 235 rupees paisa is equal to 235 upon 100 rupees. And this decimal is here 1, 2. So it comes as 2.35 rupees. What is the answer? 2.35 rupees. Now come on question number 3. It is the same type from lower to higher limit. So centimeter to kilometer. Now you know the relation 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000. And 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So how many zeros will come if I write 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter? It will come as 1 kilometer is equal to, I write as 5 zeros. It means here this was centimeter. It is 1000. It is lakh. You can see, sorry, it is coming. So unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So it is 1 lakh centimeter. Now I am going to use this relation. So this it comes like this here. So this will be equal to 5 upon 150. So how much decimal I will shift on this side? Left side 5 digits. Sorry, 5 digits. So it comes 0.00005, and it comes as here kilometer. What will come here is kilometer. I think it is clear to you. 5 by 1000, 5 by 1 lakh, and it comes. You can see the digits. How many 5 digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is coming 0.005. Now this part 35 mm convert to centimeter. So and even to meter also, even to kilometer also. So I have to find the relation now. First I will go for centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, 10 millimeter. So I will write that this one 35 millimeter is equal to 35 upon 10 centimeter. It comes as 3.5 centimeter. Right here you can see 3.5 centimeter is the answer. Now again same way I am going to use a 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10. So 1 meter is equal to how many? So I am going to convert here, so it becomes 1000 millimeter. So I am going to divide by 1000. So I will get the answer for this. If I divide by 1000, 35 upon 1000, 35 upon 1000, and unit will come here as meter. Right here, 35 upon 1000 meter. So it comes as, you can see the answer now. Decimal will shift here. It will come 0.035 meter. What is the answer? 0.035 meter. And the next part 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000. So I will use this again. I have to multiply with this. So it comes as, and now here the 0 will come here how many? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros. Here millimeter. Here comes millimeter. So you can see count zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why 6? Because 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So I have to, if I write here multiply by 1 and you can get this answer. Now you can see 35. So I write this as 35 millimeter is equal to 35 upon 6 zeros, means it is actually how much here? It is 10 lakh. You can see here. So it is actually now 35. So I write as 0. How many zeros now? I should get here after decimal 6 digits. 2 are already there. So I put how many zeros? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 5. And what is the unit? Unit will come as kilometer. K should be small. Kilometer. Now question number 4 is here with me. Question number 4. Express in kg. The first part is 200 gram. So, and second part is given in homework. Question number 4. Third part, it is given 4 kg and 8 grams. So we will see now this 200 gram is given to you. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So it will come as, this will come here now as 200 divided by 1000. You can see 0 0 cancels. The answer is 0.2 kg. Next, again same way, already it is given in grams, so I will not touch this one. I will touch, sorry, it is given in kg. I will not touch this, I will touch this now. So I will go for 8 gram. 8 gram, again same calculation, 8 by 1000. It comes as 0.008 kg, and I am going to add this. So it comes like this here. it will not be coming like this directly. You will write here 4 plus 0.008. It will come at 4.008 kg is the answer. I think it is clear to you. 4 kg 8 grams. It's already given in kg, so I am not going to touch this part. I am going to add afterwards. First I will convert this gram to kg. We know the relation. Already I wrote 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 8 by 1000. So equal to 0.008 kg. 4 plus 0.08. The answer comes 4.008 kg. Now expanded form of this. The next question, find the expanded form of 20.03. So you can see it is at which place? It is at tens place. So you can use this also, like multiplying by 10 plus 0 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 1 by 10 and plus 3 multiplied by 1 by 100. It is expanded form of this. Now this second one is given homework. Third one, you can see now 2 multiplied by 100 plus 0 multiplied by, you can see now I will multiply this place, it is tens to tens plus 0 multiplied by 1. Now plus here 0 multiplied by 1 by 10 and plus 3 multiplied by 1 by 100. Question number 5, 1, 3. So I wrote here. So which part is given homework? I wrote here. Question number 2 now. It is also 2, 4 and 6. You can see here 2, 4 and 6. And question number 3 whole I have done. Question number 4 again here. Question number 4. It is second and fourth part. And question number 5. Again the even part 2, 4 and 6. So these are your homework questions. The whole I have completed here. So you can see the homework now, and you can see the homework there, and